Okay, so I'll just explain shortly once more time. So database management, that will come like around 99.9% in any Salesforce project or work. I mean, work you do. For example, admin, then it is a mandatory thing. For development also, you'll be using this one, right? And even for consultant, you'll be using this one. And next is, so you're going to upload the data, and import and upload is, I mean, import and export is going to happen in the Salesforce database management tool. So instead of entering the manual data, like say like 2000 or 5000 to 10,000 or even a number of data, you can use this data management tool. Okay, instead of entering manually, we have this database management tool. So, and that database management tool, we have like two tools we have. So earlier it was for data import wizard. Okay, so earlier it is data import wizard, and next is data loader. So we have two tools given by the Salesforce. So one is that is the inbuilt tool. Okay, so inbuilt tool, which is already in there, it's there in like any other option in Salesforce. So we have that data import wizard in the Salesforce org itself. And the next one, that is data loader. So that is a third party tool. Okay, so that is a third party tool where you need to uh, download some like Java or I mean like one two softwares. Okay, because it is a third party application. Otherwise you don't need to do and download anything in Salesforce. Everything is available. So, and I mean like App Exchange, you need to download that is like Google TV or Google Play Store, which was called earlier. So initially I was, I mean, talking about this. So App Exchange is like Google TV, where you can download other custom apps made by the other users, and you can use that for your project purpose. Okay, so only that you can download. Rest of all those things, in Salesforce, you don't need to download any other thing. Okay, so for example, one technology to another technology you are having, so I mean like transferring the data. So that is possible through this data management. Okay, so I mean like due to data import wizard, you can easily transfer from SAP to Salesforce. For example, if the organization is having is using SAP, okay, is using SAP, and they have a plan to migrate to Salesforce because of its popularity and huge revenue growth for the organization. Okay, in that basis, so what will happen, like who are the users in SAP, so they will filtering it accordingly. Okay, so they will be having in they will be retrieving all the datas. Okay, so which is the customer datas or any other datas from SAP, and they will enter all the datas or fetch all the datas in an Excel sheet. Okay, so what is the file type in Excel, so that we use very often? So that is the most used file.
CSV,
Sorry,
CSV.
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 Okay, yeah.
CSV.
So in CSV, they will be having all the files, and that files they'll be uploading in Salesforce with the help of these two data management tools. Okay, so that is the point. So that is migration from one technology to another technology. Okay, so data import wizard step is a Salesforce inbuilt tool for data management. Okay, so it is designed for less technical users. Okay, less technical users in the sense, so those who are not technically strong, or those who are admin. So admin doesn't wants to know, I mean doesn't have to know like any technical part. So it is okay to be admin without any technical background or thing, right? But instead of like in terms of development, you will not be using this data import wizard. You will be using the data loader. Okay, so it is designed for less technical users, and it is used for smaller, simpler imports of up to 50,000 records only. Okay, so here Salesforce is giving some limit to this particular data import wizard. So that's why it has created, like it has accompanied with another third party thing, database management tool. So what will happen, like after, I mean like the records which is more than 50,000. Okay, So that will be taken care by the data loader. All right. So here used for smaller, simpler imports of up to 50,000 records only. So you can able to upload, okay, import 50,000 records alone. Okay, so plus 50,000 means it will be used as a data loader tool. Next is there is a interview question. So what is the limit in data import wizard? So the limit is 50,000 records. Okay, so all these three are interview question. So have you worked on data import wizard? Okay, so it is a normal question. So you will be saying yes. And what are the difficulties you have faced while using data import wizard? So data import wizard, data loader, and reports. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the difficulties you have faced? So this question they will be asking. So what are the difficulties you have faced while using data import wizard or data loader or reports? Only in these three topics they'll be asking what are the difficulties you faced. Okay. So rest of them is okay. So in these three topics only they will ask what are the difficulties you faced in the project while working. Okay. So difficulties while which you have faced, so that you can answer like can only import data of accounts, contact, lead, solution, campaign, and custom objects. Okay. So what are all these five this thing, five object known as, what is the type?
File type is CSV, right?
No, what? No, not that. So
This is
what are the
a
accounts, contact, lead,
Sales,
solution called as?
sales,
Sorry.
related to sales.
No, what is the type actually?
Object.
standard objects.
Standard
Object.
objects. Yeah, standard objects. Correct. So these standard objects and custom objects can be import in the data import wizard. And next is can only insert, update, upsert. Okay. So what is upsert? So you'd have known, I mean, like get to know some new term that is upsert. Upsert is nothing but update plus insert is equal to upsert. Okay. Updating plus inserting. So updating the old data. Okay, if there is any change, that is known as update. Correct. So if you are entering any new data or you are uploading any new data, that is known as insert, that is new records. So updating and new records is both action can be performed in a single time, so that is known as upsert. So do remember this, I'll be having this option. And next is can't schedule. So you can't schedule your upload in data import wizard. Okay. And next thing, so there is for example, if you have like thousand, like sorry, 1,50,000 or 2,000 records, what you can do is you can split partly by three stage or three steps. Okay, first you will be uploading 50,000. If you are a non-technical user, then I'm saying to you, so for first example, first is 50,000 you'll upload, then it will be getting successfully uploaded, then again 50,000, then again 50,000. So in this way you can achieve 1,50,000 records. This is just for an example. If you want to upload by splitting into parts, or if you want to upload I mean all the data in a single time, okay, up to 5 million records, then you can go for data loader, right? So let me scroll down. Yeah. So next is we'll be seeing data loader here. Sorry, data import wizard. Okay, so can search here from here, then you'll be getting this result, and the type also it will be given like integration. Just select. Okay, so this is the data import wizard page, where this is already a inbuilt tool in Salesforce. You can get by searching in setup. So here, reason import jobs. So for example, particular if any reason jobs you are uploading, then here it will show the status, the object name, record, how many record created, how many record updated, how many record failed, start date, processing time, all those things. Okay, and here you have some basic precaution or earlier measures to take care of while before uploading importing your data. Okay, that is, clean up your data import file. Okay, so you'll have few errors to resolve if your data file is clean and free of duplicates, right? You can watch that video later. Make sure your field name with match with Salesforce field names. So this is what I was telling before. Your field name, in the sense your local field name that is in available in Excel. Okay, and you'll be having some other field names in Salesforce. What you have to do is you need to map both. Okay, so you'll be required to map your data fields to Salesforce data fields. Data in unmapped fields is not imported. So for example, if it is not mapped, then that particular data will not be uploaded. So you need to map and then you need to upload. So then only it will get uploaded. Next is, don't import too many records at once. So using the data import wizard, import up to 50,000 records at a time. So because that is a limit. Importing too many records can slow down your org for all users, especially during periods of peak usage. Okay, so is this clear? It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we'll be launching this data import wizard. So it is very easy, 3 steps. Okay, so 3 steps, that is excluding preparing your data for import. So it is assume it is already prepared, so you don't need to prepare again. So it is a local data you got from your manager or something else, someone else, or your technical lead or whatever. So first is, so preparing. So apart from preparing, you'll be having 3 steps. Choose data to import. Okay, data. So which data you'll choose, that is the Excel sheet or file with CSV. Okay, so that you'll choose which file you need to upload. And then next is field mapping. So you will map the field according to the Salesforce objects or fields. So that is the second step. Third, you'll review and start import. That's it. Very easy, 3 steps. So now we're going to launch this one. So here, click on launch wizard. Okay, so it will take you to the main page of uploading. Okay, so now choose your data. First is choose data, edit mapping, start import. So 3 steps only. So import your data into Salesforce. You can import up to 50,000 records at a time. Okay, so here, so they have given like question like, what kind of data are you importing? So we need to check whether we are uploading standard or custom objects, right? So either standard or custom objects. So we'll choose either one of these, and we'll be selecting, what is that, package, right? There's package. Yes, get this package selected. So now what we want to do, so just go to package. One more thing is that, so if you are already opening Salesforce and you are opening the Salesforce page, it will open automatically, or single sign on. Just you want to click the username, it will open. Don't need to give the password. So if it is already open in another tab. Okay, so here, where I'm going to this one. So what are the fields available, we need to check before, because you should not get any error. Which one? Trip maker, right? So now we don't have any data in packages. Okay, let me go to packages. So we don't have any data apart from two, that is India and Goa package. Now we want to import. So add new records. So what you do, go to Excel sheet. So that is the preparation of data. Okay, so go to Excel, and here to avoid, like to avoid mapping, or say like we can avoid mapping if we give the correct field name in the Excel sheet itself. Okay, so in that case we can avoid. Okay, so that we'll be having an Excel sheet. So what is the field name we have? Package name. Package name. Excel sheet is opening. So what is the field name?
Package name.
Package name. Okay. Well, is there any other field? No. Package name is there. Okay, why can't we create one more object? We'll create one more object, that is package number. Is it correct? So I told package number to create another object. Is it correct? Any idea? Can we create an object for package number?
We haven't the package number, sir. We have only package, right?
Package. No, if I want to create package number, then what I have to do?
You have to
Suppose to
create
Yeah,
field.
we have to create, sir.
field. So
We
I
have to
told
create
objects.
field and relationship.
Yeah, correct. So I told objects, but the people never, didn't respond. So that's why I asked you, like question again. So we need to create fields, that is package number. So right now, see, we have package name, package itinerary. So we don't have package number. So
Package
that's
number.
why we want to create the new. So we'll upload that number also. So where is that? Okay, so we can use this number, like it is a auto number.
Yes.
So from it will start from 1 to till we continuous number. So I'll click on next. Okay, so field label, what is the field label?
Package number.
Yeah, package number. Okay, and display format is this one. So this one I already told you. Starting number, display format is this one. Starting number is 0 1, we can take. Okay, okay, number description, and yeah, that's it. We are given all the required fields. So next step, third step, and okay, just give visible to all. And next, page layout. Yes, give save. That's it. So now we'll check package number also. Yes, it is coming. Package number is there. Okay. So can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So now package name is there and the number, or package itinerary also is there. So you can include that also. It is not getting type. It's not getting type. Okay, fine. So okay, so not getting type. Don't know what is the issue. Fine. So do one thing. So this will be your assessment task for tomorrow. Okay. So what you do is create. Already it is there. Like you have that package name and 1 minute. I'll just put my charge, I mean laptop charge. Yeah, I'm audible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you would have already created the package, this thing, what to say, name and itinerary, right? So if I'm already created, so what I can do is, so 1 minute, category laptop. Okay, so let me select if any other object and just check, because I mean I can't type in Excel, so there is some problem, I guess. So let me select any other, say like book, books. Yeah, this one will go with this one. Updating records. So I'm just updating the existing records. Okay, so that's not, what is this? Electronic category and laptop. So we need to select particular object. In the departments, electronics. Okay, so next step what you have to do is, either you need to, for first step you are selecting the object, okay, that is standard object or custom objects. Next, what you want to do, so what actions you want to perform, okay, so that the actions are, for example, if you are newly adding, then you can go for this. And if you are updating the existing records, what is updating the existing records? Yeah, what is that mean?
Present record.
Updating or changing the existing records, that is already existing old records. And next is add new and update existing records. So can you say this term? We already discussed this, discussed before some time. Add new and update existing records. So I told you that there is a term, so that is new term.
Absurd.
Absurd, correct. So why absurd? What types of actions we are performing here? What are
Updating and inserting.
updating and
Inserting and updating the.
correct, exactly. So same. So if you want to do both, then you can use this upset. Okay. So I mean, like they have not given upset as a option or this thing as a name here, but they have given like add new and update existing records, because many of them were not, I mean, able to get what is upset. So and I mean, like if they are new, so that's why they are given like this. And okay, so we have selected this one. So there is a check mark here. You can see. So next we are going to third step, that is where is your data located. So we need to choose file from our system, and the character code you don't need to change anything. Okay, so leave it as it is. And next is value separated by commas. So just that also just leave it as it is. comma or tab, you select comma itself and go to next. Okay, so here can you see this edit field mapping? So your file has been auto mapped to existing Salesforce fields, but you can edit the mapping if you wish. So unmapped fields will not be imported. So what you do is you need to map the file, map the records. So here we'll be giving, what is that one, right? Electronic category and laptop. Okay, so we'll select this one, map. Okay, and here we'll be giving as laptop. So both are mapped. So click on map. So both are mapped. So now you won't be getting any error. So you can upload it here by giving next. Okay, so now can you see this review and start import? So electronics object, we are updating this one. So book to electronics object. So remember this electronic objects we are uploading. Map fields 2 and map field 0. So if it is 0, so then two fields will be mapped. What are the two fields? Electronic and laptop. Electronic category and laptop. So now start import. Okay, your import is started. Click OK to view the object import status. So click OK. So this is the data, bulk data load jobs in the sense job detail. Okay, so what is the job ID? So job ID will be always unique. So if you upload any one time, so if you upload in only one session or whatever it is, so that is created like a job ID. Okay, so that will be unique job ID for you to find the difference between the file you have uploaded. Okay, so that job ID will be different, and what is the start time, date, and all those things are there. So time to complete. So can you see this? How long it takes?
1 second.
1 second. That's it. So if you have an even more files, then it will take up to like 30 seconds or 20 seconds. That's it. Not more than that. So actually it depends upon the data. Okay, so it depends upon the data. Next we have object name as electronic, external ID field name is name, content type is CSV, and this one app version and all those things you can leave. Job type, okay, operation upsert. Okay, if you are adding anything new, then it will be taken as upsert. So complete batch, progress 100%, record process. So all these things you can able to see. So here you'll be seeing the same thing but in this way. Okay, so status completed. So this is how you can able to use data import wizard. Okay, so now go to that electronics.
Doubt, sir. Can we
Hmm.
revert the process? Suppose we have updated wrong data. Can we revert
Then
it?
you need to update only, you can't revert.
We can't revert. Okay.
Yeah, you can update. If there is any wrong data you have given, then you can correct the file, correct the file with the data, and then you can re-upload it.
Okay.
Revert is not possible. I don't know why it is not getting typed in Excel. Here it is getting typed. Electronics. That is electronic or electronics? One is electronic. Another object is there. So, and one more thing, if you are uploading any data and if you are not able to view, only few data are there or there is no data, then you need to check here. And this is the list view. Okay, so you need to check this and you need to select all, then only all the records will be available. Okay, so these records are available. And same here we have object for electronics, and we can give this one electronic category and laptop. Okay, so same way you can upload the data and you can check in this list view, so it will be available. So what you do is just go with the package. So if you have created the object package, then create fields package name. Package name will be already created. So at the time of creating package object, so you need to create package itinerary and what is another thing, package number. Okay, so create both the fields and fill your Excel sheet, prepare your Excel sheet, give the correct field name. Okay, so as of now go with the correct field name. So select, I mean, just type the same field name which is available in the Salesforce, so it will be easy for you to upload the data without any mapping errors or the other things. Okay, so that you can do, and make sure that you are uploading around 10 data, 10 to 12 records. Okay, 10 to 2 rows, sorry, 10 to 12 rows or records. Okay, so upload in this manner and you'll be able to get the data import wizard database management tool. Okay, so this is what about the database, like data import wizard and data loader. So that is a data loader. So data loader is a third party application. Okay, no server access in Salesforce. So data import wizard, that is a inbuilt, so we have cloud access, that is in Salesforce, but data loader we don't have any server access, so you need to keep all your data in your system. Okay, so data loader is the secondary tool of Salesforce. So first data import wizard was I mean, like, invented by Salesforce. So after that they feel like they need to add some more features or options, so that's why they chose like a third party application known as data loader. Okay, so data loader can work with any objects. Okay, so either standard or custom. So earlier we saw like data import wizard, we have some like few standard objects and on the also custom objects. So here it can work with any objects, and we can use it for complex imports of large size. So if there is any large size data, then you need to go for data loader only. So can upload or process more than 50,000 records at a time. Okay, so sorry, more than 50,000, and that is at a time 5 million records. Okay, that is the limit. At a time we can upload 5 million. And what is the limit of data loader? So that is 5 million. Okay, and so using data loader you can import data of any objects, export data of any objects, can do insert, delete, hard delete, update. So all these things we'll be seeing after installing the data loader tomorrow. Okay, so these are all some things, few things. And tomorrow so you'll be having your laptop for the session. Okay, so we'll be installing data loader, I mean, in actively, so in all the systems. Okay, so we'll be installing data loader, so please make sure your laptop is ready with you tomorrow. Okay, so we'll be installing data loader third party application step by steps. So you need to check, I mean, get your laptop or desktop ready, not in mobile. Okay,
Okay.
Fine. Okay. And tomorrow's task is you need to check with the data input wizard and also keep a eye on trial. Okay. So both the things you can do, or otherwise what you can do is, so best part like data input, just go to trial and go for data input wizard. Then there will be a topic or option, so that you just follow and try to complete. So in that way you'll be getting your points as well. You'll be completing your trial as well. You'll be completing your task and assessment as well for tomorrow. Okay. So you can combine the both and complete the single process. Okay. So got my point.
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. So yeah, we'll be connecting tomorrow. Okay. So please make sure that you are with the laptop tomorrow. You need to install data loader. What is this chat? Third module. Yes, yes, it is third module. Correct. So database data management, and I don't think so you'll be having that data loader in Trilet anywhere around, because it is a third party. I think so that's why they have not added anywhere in Trilet. So data import wizard, it is already, it will be already available, so you can check that and try to complete that. You'll be having some around 500 to 1000 points, I think so, in database data management, I guess. Yeah, only it will be around 500 or 1000, I guess, anywhere in between the points, or 200, I think so. Yeah, anything you can check and try to complete that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right, so we'll connect tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.